channel. We are looking at the stock price of Mullen Automotive. We are actually in the after hours, so let's get everything refreshed. So that is what we're looking at, and you guys can see that today at the closing bell, the stock had dropped 8.32% and was trading at 99 cents. However, in the after hours, the stock has appreciated almost a percentage point, and now we are seeing that the stock is trading at $1 even. So previously the stock closed at $1.08. That is last Friday, 4 days ago, and today the stock opened at $1.05, which was a little bit lower. In the course of today's trading, the stock has went as high as $1.06 before dropping to 99 cents at the closing bell. 52-week range for this stock is from 52 cents all the way up to $15.89. Today's volume is about half of what we would usually see, with about 39 million shares that exchange hands compared to an average volume of 70 million shares. Market capitalization for Mullen Automotive is at $472 million. Now, a couple of things to talk about Mullen Automotive. This is an EV manufacturer, and their main product that they will be pushing to the market earliest is the Mullen 5. And with the Mullen 5, they are still working on the type of battery that they will have in there. They are building their battery in-house, and they recently had a third-party evaluation lab called Battery Innovation Center in Indiana evaluate the type of battery that they will be putting in their battery packs, and the results were really excellent. And if they could use that same battery to build a pack for the Mullen 5, it is estimated that the Mullen 5 will be able to do 600 miles on a single charge. So that will be like an industry leading kind of range for EV vehicles. However, the second thing I want to talk about is that the company just came out with a press release showing that they have reduced their debt by about $17 million. So they had about $30 million in debt, and it looks like 17 million has been taken care of, and now they are saddled with just $11 million in debt. Now, don't forget that by the end of the second quarter, we were waiting for the Fortune 500 company with which the company was doing a pilot program. We were informed it was a telecoms company in the Southeast United States. As far as I can tell, no such company has been identified yet by the management of Mullen Automotive. However, they put out the press release about reducing the debt that the company currently carries. This used to be a very favorite for the Reddit crowd, and it has been so for about the past 2 weeks. So I don't know if they just got tired and they jumped onto something else. Now what seems to be hot is Faraday Futures Electric. I think I talked about it a little bit earlier, and so you might want to check that out and see the amount of action that's taking place with Faraday Future. And yeah, so that is what is happening with Mullen Automotive. Still a great company. I always want guide people on this channel, if you're watching Mullen or talking about it, don't go by the book, don't go by the numbers. This stock has a mind of its own. So just when you think it's written and done for, it has a tendency to bounce back, and when it bounces back hard. So that's what we have about Mullen Automotive. So definitely keep an eye. Having the stock at $1, that's a beautiful round number, so we can definitely start tracking from there if you guys just want to reset your trackers for Mullen Automotive. It looks like the market is leveling out, no longer seeing those huge drops. You can see at the very top of your screens, most of the indices started low, but they closed the day either where they were before or very close to where they were on Friday. So we will just keep a watch and see if the market is actually slowing down the dip and then trading sideways before we can start expecting to see it recover and heading upwards, more like a V with a very gentle bottom, and then heading up to the moon. Thank you for your time. If you haven't done so, please consider smashing that subscribe button so we can keep our subscriber count going up. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.